Hello and welcome to this overview of Ubuntu 12.10 desktop GNU Linux operating system. We have here the basic menus for switching between users, logout, restart or shut down your machine, the networking menu where you can disable or enable, connect, disconnect your wired or wireless networking, the language layout switcher. On the left we have this launcher. The launcher is a bar that contains some icon shortcuts for your preferred files, directories, software. Here we have the home folder. Every user will have his own home folder that contains his own basic directories such as music, pictures, downloaded files. Nothing strange. In the launcher we have just these two strange icons, the workspace switcher and the dash home. In GNU Linux we have traditionally 4 workspaces or desktops, and this icon is to switch between them by clicking it. And as you see, we have 4 workspaces that you can choose any to work with. Back to the first one. Let's be introduced to the dash home now. The dash home is a station where you can search for your folders or files or installed software. This is the mighty web browser Firefox, and you can move to here to view all your installed software, and I have here more than 100 installed software, and you can view them by categories. And yes, my laptop battery is low. This is the games, the internet, media. You can pick any software you need and drag its icon to the launch bar or the desktop and place it wherever you need. Again, let's see our workspaces. Here we are in the third workspaces. Let's move to the second one and open this BitTorrent client. It's called Q BitTorrent. Taxar user, as you can see, has downloaded illegally this property video. Back to workspaces. So you can work in any workspace or even in between. And even the fourth and first one is attached. This is the document viewer that open PDF easily. Let's say that you are here to read this book and you still want to view this video. We have something called the desktop cube, and can be activated and initiated easily. So here all workspaces are here. Just imagine doing that with your Microsoft Windows system without crashing everything down. You should know that all this graphic and more runs perfectly, and my graphic card is even unknown. I have an 80i Radeon graphic card. Its driver not available for GNU Linux yet, unfortunately, unlike, for example, NVIDIA supports GNU Linux more than 80i does. I have, of course, my driver. I have a driver. It's not proprietary. It's a free one, and it works perfectly. all the tweaks works just fine. Here are some quick tricks that you will be able to do it when you have Ubuntu. This is the ring switcher, the auto resizer. I just show you also what's called the inside cube, and excuse my wallpaper taste. It's one of my favorite wallpaper. It has charming colors. This is the Compass config setting manager that do all the tweaks. Navigate to desktop cube. Activate the inside cube, and now your workspaces look like room. Let's see how you can add or remove software easily on Ubuntu. Let's say we want to remove Pigeon Internet Messenger. Just right click on it, choose uninstall, enter your root super user password, just your password, and Pigeon is gone. No Pigeon, no Pigeon. If you want to retrieve it back, just go to Ubuntu, Software Center, see these categories and navigate to Internet, for example, and go to Pigeon, or view more categories. We are going to chat. This is our Pigeon, and let's get it back. Install your password again. Some tweaks while Pigeon being retrieved. This is some rain. And this is our Pigeon is installed now. You can add many internet accounts to chat through this one client. Let's stop the rain first. In fact, nothing you're gonna miss if you choose to work with Ubuntu from a complete Office suite, PDF and PDF creator, and PDF viewer, and image editor that called GIMP, and GIMP is a perfect substitute for Photoshop. And if you still, for example, need Photoshop to run in your Ubuntu, then through a software called Wine, you can install any Windows software quickly I'll show you, for example, FreeGate. Open with Wine. Cheers. If you see Photoshop here, so in fact Photoshop is also runnable this way, and in later tutorial I'll show you how to get it. Work in your Ubuntu. So, bye bye. for now.
There are those who say fate is something beyond our command, that destiny is not our own. But I know better. Our fate lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it.